All right, this is a brand new iPhone 11. I mean, it doesn't have 3 cameras, but like it still has 2 cameras. It looks really good. And come here, come closer, come closer. This is how it looks like on the inside. Comes with the iPhone right here. I'll just put that to the side. This is how it looks like. It already has some. That's how it looks like. That is all glass. It's kind of matte right there, but that's cool. Here's a little plastic cover that covers it. Usually it covers all the way over, but like it's not covering all the way over. There's already fingerprints and everything on the glass. Already destroyed. But let's put that. Oh look, the thing that I noticed about the case. You see that thing on the case?
Mm-hmm.
If it had 3 cameras, it would have been perfect. I don't know what I'm saying, but like it looks really cool. Even the box itself has a nice new arrangement. And let's go back. Designed by Apple in California. And hello Apple stickers. I wish they could have changed the Apple stickers, but like that's okay. And it comes with the headphones and the usual battery, power, whatever it is, cable. And that for the iPhone 11, it's different. Like for the iPhone 11 Plus, Pro, it's totally different. It's even bigger than this one, but like that still works. Headphones still the same. They're not gonna put Bluetooth headphones in here anytime soon, but that is it. And here is the star of the game. This thing looks absolutely mind-blowing, and it looks really, really pretty. And yeah, this thing, one of a kind. Actually, it's not even one of a kind. Wait until like next year when like Apple comes up with a new phone that has completely like this whole screen is gonna be all like LCD, LED, whatever. But I just need to know how this phone works, because compared to my old phone, which is this phone, there's no home button. So it will be really hard for me to like go around without a home button. But how do you even swipe? How do you even get into the home screen? I don't even know how to get into the home screen. Do I pull down corner?
No, why not?
Swipe up to open. Oh, there we go.
It's like my tab.
Oh my god. Okay, I got to get used to this phone, but like overall this phone's a really good phone. I think, I'm not really sure, but like 2 cameras, that has 2 cameras. I don't see the big difference between 3 cameras and 2 cameras. 3 cameras is more expensive, but like this is, I guess it's perfect. And it looks cool, so I'm not complaining at all. Okay. All right, thank you. Oh my god. Is there any more donuts?
Yeah.
Okay, go put it inside. There she is. Milk could stay here. This could put it here. Put it there. And my drink could come with me. Actually, I'm gonna put you right here. And my hat goes right here. There we go. And the sun is so bright. It is really bright. There's a book right there. Here, can you carry that?
Yeah.
And he's gone. And I got my drink.
You may accidentally like a little drop it. Because it's made out of glass.
Yeah, I need to buy a case too. All right, let's go in.
Let's see how.
Okay. Let's go upstairs. We gotta have more lights. Actually, let's open up the windows. 2, 3 windows. And here's the phone. There it is. Out of the box, right here in my hand. And bam! Alright, so let's take it out. And shh, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. You gotta be quiet, okay? And let's open it. And here it is, you guys. Here's the new iPhone 11. Right there in my hand.